Pasok ka na naman, and I am reminded of this debate between Senator Raffy Tulfo and Senator Pia Cayetano regarding whether schools should collect fees from parents through PTAs.
Bawal talaga ang pagkolekta sa estudyante.
So kung bawal po, bakit po nangongolekta pa rin sila sa mga estudyante, especially po?
Ito ang sinabi ni Senator Raffy Tulfo at the time. Stop burdening parents with school fees. PTA contributions are de facto mandatory. Parents feel pressured to pay. Public education should be free as guaranteed by the Constitution. DepEd must fund schools adequately so PTAs don't feel budget gaps. Ayon naman kay Senator Pia Cayetano, voluntary contributions empower school communities. Parents who can afford to help should be allowed to contribute voluntarily. PTAs fund improvements that government budgets cannot cover quickly. A blanket ban may hurt schools in communities willing to pitch in. Why does this matter? Well, over 24 million students attend Philippine public schools. Many families earn below minimum wage and struggle with even small contributions, yet schools often rely on PTA funds for basic supplies, maintenance, and events. The debate highlights a larger question. Should the government fully fund public education, or should communities share the responsibility? Well, anong masasabi ninyo tungkol sa issue na ito? Share your insights in the chat box. Thank you.
Ito po, lahat ng mga nagsumbong sa akin.
Sir, the
These are
issue, I don't
These are the list of parents na nagsumbong sa akin, iba't ibang eskwelahan sa buong Pilipinas, na kung saan sila po ay sa pilitang kinukolektahan ng mga electric fan at kung ano pang mga gamit sa eskwelahan.